One of the differences that I noticed between the NutriMill Harvest and the Mockmill, okay, is in their mechanisms. So we take the hopper off for the Mockmill Lino or Professional Series this way by turning counterclockwise until it comes off. And there's our hopper mechanism. And here is our top stone. Okay, now let's take a look here. There's this top stone and this top stone. They look to be similar material. They look to be probably the same material if they're both corundum. This is the Professional, so I'm guessing it's a little bigger in size. Yeah, the diameter of the stone is a little bigger. I'll compare this to the 100 when I get to Kentucky. And then just gonna clean this out a little. Yeah, you know, this could come with a brush, because boy, I got a lot of flour built up in there from all the times I've run it and didn't give it a clean. So that brush is fantastic for that. All right. Now, here's the differences that I noticed. All right. Inside the NutriMill, it has a rubber, I want to say gasket here. Okay, and the top has a little bit of give to it. And then in this one, it has plastic here, right? And then you have your springs, which if you've ever lost a spring, that can be a little scary. So there's the differences. I mean, and then you have the housing, so there's not going to be too much different there. Obviously, you have your spout, and they both come out there. Not a big difference. I'm going to put this back together. So when you put your Mockmill back together, there's notches here for the springs, and you just want to reseat it gently on top of those springs, and then put your mill back together by screwing it on clockwise till you get to the point where the stones are tapping. And to put this back on for the NutriMill, there's a little notch in the housing for the black notches on the stone. And so you really can't put this in wrong. They will go right in to those spots. And then you take these tabs and line them up with the blue notches, and it drops in, and then you turn it clockwise till it clicks. That is it. Very nice and easy. I just love how fast it is to just boop and get to the stones and then be right back. That was slick. Very nice job.